Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to check your Apple account's password on your iPhone. So just making sure we're gonna be all in this together, first thing I want you to do is open up your settings application. Under here, look for the one that says general and look for software update. So our target here would be we have the latest version available on our end. For example, on here, as I'm recording this video, it's gonna be iOS 18.5. So once I'm sure that I have the latest version available on my device, I'm gonna go back here and look for passwords application. Should be this one right here. Alright? So if I click on this one, as you can see, it has a lot of passwords, starting from all, code, security, and so on and so forth. So in here, I'm just gonna type in here Apple, and as you can see right there, it has a username and a password. So it will alert you if you have a weak password, so you have to change it. Now for example, you can't see right there. Other method is opening up your Chrome browser if you're using Chrome by clicking the top right section and click on the lower section, or rather here, click on your account, click on the lower section, manage your Google account, and right here you can just simply search passwords here, meaning your Google account will save your passwords moving forward. And now you can check them right there. Alright? That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.